Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Elsa. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's episode is going to be on Elsa, the Disney Frozen character. So what you're going to see is I'm going to be basically laying out the areas very quickly, building the elements for this character. As you notice, the head is perfectly round. This is a style that I created my pop art. A lot of the superheroes, when I've gone into Comic-Con, I've been a guest in a New York Comic-Con 3 years and gone there 7 years actually as an artist. So this episode, we're just going to be using this stylized version that I created. So again, you'll see the crosshair, where that'll give me the indication where the nose, the eyes, and the mouth will actually play up. So what you'll see me doing is just working on the face right now. I got one eye in and the eyebrow right now. And let's get the mouth going right now. All right. It's a slow, there we go, there it goes, looking good. All right, so as you can see here, I'll show at the very end, you're going to see 3 circles. That's how big she is, 3 circle high. When you're creating, you may want to actually create 3 circles so you have the right proportions. So when you're looking at art in general, not just cartoons, art in general, everything has shapes and form. And if you play off of that, that'll really help you build your skills as an artist. All right, and have that little eyebrow a little higher up now on that one. Okay, let's get that face a little tighter there. Let's work on the ear. Okay, the ear, I just make like this little wedge. All right, so I'm just going to play up on her hair. And when I create these pop art that I create, this stylized pop art, I will use some references. So you will see the costumes or the hair kind of represent. I did a lot of the superhero ones. I'm actually putting together a video with all my pop art that I had created. All right, let's see where that one comes out there, the hair. All right. Let's get the top part there. All right, get it around. And interesting on her, she has some braids. That kind of reminds me of rope. I'm going to get there pretty soon. Sketch that out. Okay. And when this one will be complete, I'll be finishing it up, as always, inking in Illustrator. My custom brush I made, and then my custom brushes I made also in Photoshop with a watercolor technique, kind of like a watercolor airbrush. Now, working on the braids. What's cool about this is like thick rope. I used to really play up on that on some of my artwork, so it was pretty easy making those braids right now. So let's get the other side done. All right, let's get her neck in there. Okay, here we go. And then get that last braid over there. Okay, and I'll finish that one up. Okay, let's work on her hand there, her little arm with her dress. Okay, let's get her. And again, what I did is I made 3 fingers as instead of the 5-finger standard, and I just did that intentionally for my pop art. I just like the look and feel of it. Again, that was what I chose, but you feel free. If you're doing your Elsa and you want to make 5, go right ahead. It's your art. Now let's get her dress down. I get some of those little wrinkles. Wrinkles is a really unique thing. You can either do them right or wrong. And in this case, I'm trying to just really make them like a flowing out. Okay, let's get that curve there for her little cape. All right, that's looking good. Let's get the back side done. Okay, and a little heavier on this back side there. Okay, there's her cape. Yep. I'm just going to add some speed lines inside to make it a little darker so you can see it then. Okay, separate her dress from her cape there a little bit. And this, yeah, actually I did this little Elsa years ago for my daughter. She was a Frozen fan. Okay, that's looking good. A little darker. Let me get some lines in there. A little darker there. All right, looking good. Now make sure you sign it and date it. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.